ways to promote your healthy sleep patterns to maintain your brain-heart unity. Welcome to my channel, Brain-Heart Unity. This is Zahra Ranjbar. And in the last video, which today is the second session, we talked about the sleep, why we sleep, how to sleep, and also we talked the sleep barriers. We talked about, sleep apneas. We went a little bit detail in the last video. Today, we are going to talk about the proven ways to improve your sleep patterns. When we are preparing for sleeping, during the day we have some activities to do to promote, to facilitate the sleep patterns. For example, when we wake up in the morning, okay, then get ready to work. Working is the activity. If you're not working, you just walk, do some moderate exercise. This is activity. And hydration is very, very important. Daytime, during the day, make sure you have, optimal hydration because at night, before sleeping, at least 2 hours before sleeping, you have to limit your fluid intake because it can interrupt with your sleeping, patterns. So you have to have maximum hydration during the day. This is the first thing, which is very important. The second thing is, if you have trouble with your tummy, like constipation or something, better to fix it in the morning if you want to take a medication. So whole day you have a time to clean up your tummy, and you have a happy tummy at night when you sleep. You don't have any trouble with your elimination. Okay, this is the second thing. Okay, when you walk in the morning, make sure you get enough sunlight because of your vitamin D, which is very important. Vitamin D deficiency is linked to sleeplessness. Okay, this is proven at this piece of the study. And if you think nowadays you feel a little bit exhausted, you easily get tired, it is not bad to just check with your doctor check blood test to see the level of vitamin D and also iron, because some people easy to get iron deficiency, depends on the diet you have. This is also very, very important. So exercise, hydration, your tummy, happy tummy, and your vitamin D so far. Very important things to do. And also, when you do moderate exercise, you are not only improving your circulation, you are also improve your muscle tone, flexibility. And then when you have a sleep at night, you feel more relaxed because that is the time your muscle, goes through a very relaxation mode. So that is very important. Exercise. It's not necessary to go very harsh exercise. No, just walking would be great. And if you are connect with the nature when you are walking, okay, let all the happy hormones saturate you. Okay, trigger your happy hormones, which are oxytocin, serotonin, dopamine, endorphin. They're beautiful happy hormones, easy to find a way to make yourself happy, so saturate all happy hormone to relax your body. Okay, now slowly we go toward the evening. So what we do, you get back from work, right? Okay, if you want to have a snack, if you want to drink, if you have some fruits, beautiful. But whatever you want to do, just before 8 o'clock, if you have a plan to sleep at 10 o'clock, this is your sleep schedule, 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock would be great. So some food, some fruits are diuretic. They make you to go to toilet. Like, for example, watermelon, cucumber, like lemon, ginger, onion, garlic, spices, they all make you run to toilet. So after 6 o'clock in the evening, better to stop them. But during daytime, they are excellent. They are beautiful bananas full of potassium. 400 milligram potassium in one banana, but better to have it ripe completely yellow. Okay, because the green one, disturb your stomach. So diuretic, which makes you go to toilet to empty your bladder, not after 6 o'clock in the evening. Okay, that is very important. And also salty food, salty diet, salty snack. Better to stop it because salt absorbs water, makes you to go drink water, and then not only your blood pressure goes up and makes you thirsty, disturb your continuation of sleep, and then you will have, interrupted sleep because you don't have a way. You have to just go and then complete your toileting need. So there are foods saturated with sodium. Also, there are some snacks. They put a lot of sodium and also salts and preservatives. They're all, it's not good for you after 6 o'clock. Fat steak is okay if you like, but make sure if it is very fatty, steak, so it is heavy for your stomach. Digestion is a bit difficult. Better to have it very early evening. If you are in party, if you are having, but usually better to have it very light steak with no fat would be okay with some veggies, and make sure the vegetables are not diuretic. That is very important. Okay, now up to this time, beautiful, you have, sleep schedule at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. So after dinner, you have a time. If you want to watch television and enjoy a movie, great, you enjoy, okay? But 2 hours before sleeping, 2 hours before sleeping, please stop it. Stop watching television because the blue light in the television and also anything, the technological devices, okay, it disturbs your body, especially sleeping. So better stop watching television 2 hours before sleeping. It is good to just grab a book, just stick to a book, or listen to your music. That is great. Okay, so this is about television. The time you want to sleep, and children at home, please make sure they don't have double message. Like if it's time to sleep, time to sleep, time to sleep for everybody. It means children go to sleep and you go to sleep. Or if children go to sleep and you encourage them to go to sleep and you go and watch television, this is double message. When these children grow up, they won't stick to a sleep schedule, and little bit ambivalence thinking about, around sleeping, and then they might have it affects on all, their life. Okay, so that is also very, very important. Now, this is the time, for example, this is time is 10 o'clock, you want to go bed. You should be very friendly with your bed. You talk to your pillow. You talk to your bed. Oh, thank you. You're waiting for me. Oh, hug them, kiss them. No problem. Okay? So, in this case, you are telling your subconscious, this is time to sleep. I believe, when you put an alarm in the morning to wake up, do the same, set an alarm for sleeping. When is it ding, 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 ding? Our subconscious knows this is that time to sleep, because our subconscious, whatever feed your subconscious, grab it. Just be friendly with that in good ways, okay? But subconscious is not all the time good ways. They carry, very unwanted beliefs as well. But make a good belief about the sleeping and feed your subconscious, and ding, 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 this is the time to sleep and go to bed. Make your bedroom only sleep zone. No any technology in the room, no any telephone, completely telephone off, no television in the room, and also dark, quiet, and little bit cool. Little bit cool. If it is winter, it's okay. Otherwise, little bit cool. And also before sleeping, if you take cool shower, cool water, it is beautiful. It helps you, you know, with full relaxation. That's good. When you set alarm, please keep alarm out of your reach. Because in the morning, when it wakes you up, unconsciously sometimes, it happens times and times to everybody, not only you, to me as well. When you push away a little bit alarm, or sometimes repeatedly, you hit the snooze button and still you are in bed. Okay, especially on the weekend, it happened to so many people. So when it is next to you, when the alarm is next to you, okay, it is easy to hit the snooze button. But if it is very far, it makes you a little bit wake up. Okay, sit up. This activity and reach the alarm, so you are completely waken up. You know, make yourself friend with melatonin. In the last video, we talked about melatonin. This is the hormone, okay? And this hormone helps you to have a good sleep. There are some food, they have melatonin, but naturally they have melatonin, okay? But there are also supplements in the market. Please, get my advice. If you are on antidepressant tablet, if you are having tablet for anxiety, if you are having tablet for Parkinson's or for epilepsy, these all tablets can interact with melatonin. Okay, so let's check with your GP before taking melatonin. This is very important because it can suppress your central nervous system. Okay, and also melatonin linked to dementia as well. That is another thing. Okay, you always keep one extra blanket next to you. In case you feel cold or something, you are not going to leave the bed and go and grab it. It's easy to access your blanket. So you know about the food, you know about diet, hydration, exercise, melatonin, medication, okay? And the type of, back again, the type of food you eat, better digestible, very easy to digest, I just remember. And then when you're eating your dinner, like at 6 o'clock in the evening, by the time you sleep, you're very comfortable with your tummy. Okay, very light dinner. But lunchtime you can have a, heavy lunch, no problem. Depends on your, the dietary preferences and dietary habit. Okay, do something good for yourself before sleeping. Okay, like for example, some of your friends, maybe they're not feeling well. Just give them a call. I want to sleep. I wanted to make sure you are doing okay. And also, when you're doing that, do something good. Do something good, okay? So it helps you boost and trigger your happy hormones. As I said before, serotonin, oxytocin, dopamine, endorphin. They're all beautiful stuff when you are, you do something good for yourself. Before sleeping, play with the children, jump up and down a little bit, just with dance, little bit activity, cherish yourself and, make little bit, bring happiness before sleeping, because these hormones, what happen, these hormones relaxes your muscle, relaxes everywhere all over the body, and relax your brain and relax your heart. And your blood pressure is down. It is not high. Those, especially those who have high blood pressure. So do something for yourself. Some people like to listen to the music. Okay, beautiful. There are many soft, nice, music. Uh, it helps you to relax mentally, physically, and your muscle also get relaxed. But if you listen to rock and roll before sleeping, it makes you jump up and down on the bed. God knows better what happened. So you cannot sleep properly. So very soft music. It is really designed for sleeping. I listen to some of them. They are really beautiful. So this is a sleeping. Just before sleeping also. Before sleeping, make sure you have the final step in the toilet to just meet your needs if necessary. Okay, I wish you all the best and also promote your sleeping patterns. And when you wake up in the morning, the best thing is lemon and warm water to detox your body. When you wake up, when you have a good sleep, what happens? You are refreshed. When you feel refreshed, you are active, you are proactive, you are energetic, you are productive at work, you have better communication with everybody, you have a sense of humor at work, you enjoy talking to people, and you enjoy your diet, because this all happened because you had a very good sleep. It boosts your energy, it boosts your mood. This is the miracle about having good sleep. Okay, I wish you have very nice sleep and refresh yourself in the morning when you wake up, and you remember me as well. God bless you all, and with love and gratitude, I'm looking forward to connecting with you soon in the following videos. And this video actually was the second part of the first video I had it previously. Make sure you watch both of them, and please make sure you press the bell, like and subscribe, and also share with those, especially those who have a little bit trouble with the sleeping. It helps them because it is proven based on the study, based on the science, okay, to help them to have a good sleep, and not only good sleep, promote the connection. Okay, maintain the connection between your beautiful brain and your beautiful heart. God bless you all. Bye.